Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our show, Thoughts on Education.
Hello, Vaib. Thank you for welcoming me.
Yeah. So, ma'am, before we go further, I really would like to know more about your journey and this institute.
I'm Puneet Gupta. I head Symbiosis School of Visual Arts and Photography. My career started as a photojournalist with the Indian Express, with the Hindustan Times, DNA newspaper. This was while I was in Mumbai. And simultaneously, I have also worked as an architectural and interior photographer for big projects, for big brands like the Taj Group of Hotels, the IIT Powai, and several other projects I have worked upon as an architectural and interior photographer. After my marriage, I moved here to Pune and I got into academics. And currently, I'm leading the Symbiosis School of Visual Arts and Photography.
Okay, so, ma'am, can you talk about the courses that we provide at SSVAP?
Yes, so SSVAP offers a 3 years degree. Actually, let me go from the history. Let me begin from the history of this institute. SSVAP is the oldest and the first institute that had initiated offering a 3 years degree in photography. And we have a legacy of 13 years. 4 years back, we underwent a curriculum and the name change from Symbiosis School of Photography to Symbiosis School of Visual Arts and Photography. Basically, the visual arts stands for videography and filmmaking. So, 4 years back, we understood the multi skilled professional requirement of the industry, the market demand, and we incorporated photography and videography or filmmaking within this 3 years degree. So, currently, SSVAP is offering a 3 years degree in photography and videography, filmmaking basically. So, let me tell you what makes SSVAP distinct from all the other competitor institutes across the country. Within this span of 3 years, we offer all genres of photography, starting from wildlife, travel, landscape, star trailing, photojournalism, documentary, sports photography, automobile photography, interior and architectural photography, fashion, product, any genre. There is no, every genre of photography is ensured to be delivered here over a period of 3 years. Along with it, we also teach within filmmaking. We offer the pre-production, script writing, cinematic lighting, direction, sound, post-production, and ad films, documentary films, short films. All of this is taught within a span of 3 years. Along with it, of course, there are technical foundational courses, um, film appreciation, or the history of photography, where students are actually they undergo they understand the entire genesis of camera, the entire genesis of photography, starting from the pinhole camera to the large format, medium format, um, the roll cameras, the film cameras, to the DSLRs, to the current AI featured mirrorless cameras. And apart from this, of course, you cannot be a photographer and a filmmaker if you do not know post production. So, we teach softwares required for still photography, Lightroom, Photoshop, AI softwares required for still photography like Topaz, ACDC. We also teach post production softwares like Premiere Pro as well as DaVinci Resolve. So, all of this within a tight packed 3 years academic curriculum that we offer. Now, what sets us apart? There are four USPs that we have. One, we have the largest infrastructure in the country that no other competitor institute has, and we proudly boast about it. Even the Yashraj studios are not as I personally visited the Yashraj studios while I was a journalist. Even Yashraj studios are not as huge, not as big as the spaces that we have within Symbiosis School of Visual Arts and Photography. So we have 5 specialized studios, each dedicated to different genres, a combination of daylight and natural light studio, automobile photography studio, that is, again, no other competitor institute in the country has a space dedicated to automobile academic institute in the country has a space dedicated to automobile photography, but we have it. We have a wonderful campus. So from the infrastructure, now I'm coming to the second USP, the real-time exposure that we give to our students. Again, none other competitors do so. The real-time exposure within studios, outside studios, the beautiful campus that we have, we take students on field, be it day field visits or overnight field visits to different places across the country for different genres, be it the Ranthambore, the Nagzira, to the Spiti Valley, to Sikkim, to Auroville, Pondicherry, Kerala, to the North India, to the East. So basically, students travel to different places across the country to get the real-time exposure. Like, for example, I would like to give two examples actually. Just a month back, there was this Ranji Trophy match going on within the Pune Pimpri Chinchwad Stadium. And Arjun Tendulkar, the son of Sachin Tendulkar, the great Sachin Tendulkar, he was playing that match. And SSVAP are the only students, the students of SSVAP are the only ones who have got a photo clicked of Arjun Tendulkar and other nationally renowned players playing within the Ranji Trophy have got their pictures, have covered the match, have these photos as a part of the portfolio. Apart from that, there's this paragliding World Cup, which was hosted in India for the very first time. 65 countries across the world participated in it. And SSVAP students were the only ones to actually get an opportunity to make ad films, promotional films for the Paragliding World Cup, apart from photography. So the exposure, the real-time exposure that we give to the students is unique. And from here, I would like to come to the third USP that we have. The international exposure that I mentioned, that is something which sets us apart. We have internationally, nationally renowned photographers and filmmakers who are an integral part of our program, who regularly teach here, share their practice with our students here. And like, for example, we have Victoria Krundaysheva. She is a Russian photographer who is doing very, very well as a fashion photographer. She comes and teaches here. Miss Katrina Corny, she is an Italian art curator who comes and teaches art curation. Some of our students' best works have been exhibited in Italy Photo Festival, in Paris Photo Festival. And then we have renowned names like Sudhir Shivram. He's a world-renowned wildlife photographer. He comes and conducts masterclasses here. Prasanjit Yadav, he's a National Geographic photographer and award-winning photographer. He comes and conducts classes here. So you name it, we have it. Industry practitioners with 35 years of experience. Mr. Ajay Norona, he has been a DOP, a cinematographer for Kaun Banega Karodpati for over a decade. He has also been a DOP for Coffee with Karan for over a decade. He was a DOP of the Slumdog Millionaire. It's an Oscar award-winning film, Indian film. So these are the kind of practitioners we get in within our campus to teach the students. This sets us apart. None other institute across the country offers the kind of international and national exposure we provide to our students with immense, and these practitioners with immense industry experience and currently practicing in the industry, because that really makes a difference. That helps you understand the current trends. And last but not the least, we provide one-on-one mentorship to the students. As in, of course, there will be sessions. It's a practical program. Photography and videography can never be taught through online lectures, can never be taught within 1 month, 2 months. It requires practice, errors, practice, improvise, practice, understand your style, practice, take some points from others, but build up your independent, unique style. That requires a rigorous 3 years of shooting, understanding, then sitting for review sessions with our teachers. This is where the one-on-one mentorship comes in. Sitting with the experts while reviewing your work, understanding editing, what should be kept, what should be included, what should be excluded, how to color correct, ethical aspects of color correction, ethical aspects of post-production. One-on-one mentorship is provided to our students. So these four are the USPs that set us apart. And we are in an era of AI. So I would definitely want to make a point here. AI can never replace a field-based profession like photography and videography. AI cannot go on field and capture the weddings. I forgot to mention weddings also. We offer wedding photography also as a part of a curriculum. So AI cannot go on field, capture the weddings. They cannot go on the field, stay in the jungle for 120 days and capture the black tiger. They cannot capture the war. It cannot capture sports, cannot capture models with products, models with automobiles, etc. Real estate sector. They cannot actually go to the Taj group of hotels, and AI cannot personally go to the Taj group of hotels and shoot the interiors. A field-based profession is the most sustainable profession in the era of AI. AI cannot supplant but supplement photography and videography. I repeat, AI will not replace, it can enhance. And the areas where AI can enhance photography and videography, those aspects are already included in our curriculum. So post-production is one area where we teach AI-related tools in Photoshop, AI-related softwares. And another area is AI-based features within the high-end mirrorless cameras. How to utilize those is something that we have integrated within our curriculum and we offer it to our students.
Right. Thank you so much for your inputs. The last question is, what are the eligibility criteria for the students who want to get into this photography field?
The students who want to be a part of a program, this 3 years degree, they definitely should be 12th pass. And they should have a passion, a drive for the visual medium, for the technical medium. Photography and video, photography is not just a click. If there is a certain section of the society that believes कि photography में क्या है, it's just a click, yeah. No, I'm sorry. Photography is not just a click. Filmmaking is not just a click of the camera button. There's a lot, it's a science, a lot of technical understanding delivered through practice, not through textbook lectures. Delivered through practice so that a student can be able to operate the camera just the way a blind man operates the braille. Student need not look into the camera and struggle with the features, be it the different HDR techniques, 9-point focus, 10-point focus, 31-point focus, or the different technical upgrades which keep happening within the camera. A student should not be these technical upgrades should be student's strength. That's what we try to offer here. Utilize that strength, identify your own individuality as a photographer, as a visual artist, as a filmmaker, and be unique. And our students in the industry are doing very, very well. We have some students, depending on the genre they have picked, some of them have decided to be independent freelancers, have built up their own studio. Some of them are making ad films with big personalities like MS Dhoni, Deepika Padukone, Sonam Kapoor, Kalki Koilchin, etc. There are several others who are working with the automobile sector, earning very, very well. There are a few others who are working with big product brands, with international clients for wedding photography. There are some who picked up a career in wildlife photography, have done projects for National Geographic. In photojournalism, we have people who have been hired full-time with the Indian Express, with the ANI, have done projects for Reuters. So our students are doing very, very well in the industry. And we are very proud to have the vibrant alumni that we have because of the curriculum that we offer.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your inputs. This will definitely help us to understand visual arts and photography in more deeper manner. Thank you, ma'am.
Right here. Thank you, sir.